Are you trying to get the B2.2 qualification in English, but you just keep making the same old grammar and vocabulary mistakes and you just can't quite reach that level? I've got the solution for you. You're going to follow Lockyer Learning Lab. Now, all you have to do is to click on the YouTube videos, watch the tutorial and do the little exercises afterwards. These are going to really help you to expand your vocabulary and iron out all those grammar mistakes. Don't worry, because I've got absolutely tons of experience. I've been teaching for 30 years and I'm going to help you with all those tricky little things like phrasal verbs, word formation, transformations, the dreaded transformations, and you're going to get there. So just click on every Tuesday in the morning, 12 o'clock, click on Lockyer Learning Lab. Once you've subscribed, you're going to get those videos, and that's going to really help you get through that exam, and you are going to pass.